Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. This is a follow-up from the video of last night. We have installed the rear panel from Kawasaki on the all-new KRX 1000, part number 99994-1294. Wanted to do a little walk around, show you a little bit about the windshield. In the previous video, I kind of did an unboxing and discussed a little bit about what it was going to take to install the windshield or the back window. It does take about the 30 minutes that it calls for to get this baby installed. What are you going to need to do? Obviously pull it out of the box and get it set up with the clamps. This back panel is going to have to come off, as well as both of these intake housings. That's simple. There's 6 plastic push darts that are underneath up in the wheel well on this guy, located right up under there. You got 2 right here, 2 right here, and 2 right here. That cover, intake tube cover, will come off on both sides. That will need to be accomplished. Once this windshield is slid through, you'll simply fasten all 6 of the clamps. These are quick release style clamps. However, once you install this back window, you're probably not going to take it off other than maybe some intense cleaning. As you can see, it is very optically clear. They've done a really good job in forming this back window. You can see that amazing curve there. It's almost got a bubble type to the back, giving you extra room inside. There's plenty of room between the back of the headrest and the back window when that's fully installed. It is completely sealed down the roll cage. All of that foam is pre-installed. Really nice and tight all along the back as well. From up top, you can see that it's nice and flush along that bar. It would be easier to put the back window in before you put your 8-inch K-Glow lights up on top. I already had those installed, so I needed to just rotate those up a little bit to get to that back clamp right there. As you can see, the Phillips screw does seal up nice and tight along the top with some foam. There's no gaps of any sort along there. And then along the bottom, you can still see that that's also nice and tight along the bottom. And again, just amazed at how optically clear that is. A lot of the back windows on the market are not that optically clear. They have distortion in them. Not this guy. Also has the Kawasaki logo up high. Your field of view is massive on this thing. There's virtually no blockage other than maybe that little teeny corner up there, but very, very big field of view. You're gonna love the back window from Kawasaki. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've got a lot more videos to come. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can keep updated on everything Kawasaki. What do you guys think of that back window? And as always, have a great day, everybody.